All right, guys, we made it to our second stop, the Dalongdong Baoan Temple that you see here behind me. And across the street is the Confucius Temple. So let's go take a look. Our first stop is the Taipei Confucius Temple, an icon of historic significance, home to a variety of deities that showcase the depth of Confucian philosophy. Prominent among these deities are the god of literature and the god of war, both representing the Confucian virtues of wisdom and bravery. These divine figures, together with others, serve to guide visitors through the ethical and moral principles established by Confucius. Before we delve deeper into the beauty of this temple, I'd like to share a special link my family has with this sacred place. Bearing the Kong surname, my Taiwanese family roots extends directly back to Confucius, making this temple not merely a historical site for me, but a place that always connects my family to their esteemed ancestor. As we continue, we'll discover the cultural epicenter, where the temple's grand design and rituals truly embody the Confucian teachings. Design with its grand gates, tranquil courtyard, and reflective halls mirrors the principle of simplicity and harmony. The main hall, called Da Qian Hall, is the temple's centerpiece, dedicated to honoring Confucius, and is also the hub for the annual Confucius ceremony on September 28th. This event, with its traditional music, dance, and rituals, showcase the enduring legacy of Confucian traditions. Adjacent to this is the Hall of Edification, which houses the spirit tablets of Confucius and his disciples, emphasizing the temple's commitment to moral and educational enlightenment. Along with the hall's writings, this design shows how deeply Confucian values were rooted in respect and traditions. In essence, the Taipei Confucius Temple stands as a living testament to Confucius' teachings, intertwined with cultural identity with spiritual guidance. For my family and others connected to his culture, it remains a source of wisdom, encouraging all of us to embrace the values of wisdom, courage, and kindness as we navigate life's complexities. Let's continue exploring. I can't stress enough how beautiful these temples are. The camera just does not capture the true essence of the architecture and details and the vibrant colors that goes into all of these temples here in Taiwan. All right, that's a quick walk through the Confucius Temple. Now we're going to head over to the Dalongdong Baoan Temple. Let's go check it out. As we step into the Dalongdong Baoan Temple, which is dedicated to safeguarding health and healing, the temple offers a visual feast for the eyes, featuring a sprawling courtyard, meticulously designed water ponds, and carefully designed rock gardens. Dragons twist around the stones while deities oversee the gardens. There are statues representing the protective spirits that have protected this community for generations. Bao Shun Da Di, known as the god of medicine, occupies a special position among the deities honored here. His presence welcomes guests into an environment where spiritual healing and old age traditions blend flawlessly. Let's keep exploring the rich history and cultural importance of this sacred place. Beyond its stunning aesthetic, the annual Boshen Cultural Festival, a highlight of the temple, brings to life the legends and miracles attributed to Baosheng Da Di, transforming the temple grounds into a vibrant setting of performance, prayer, and traditional medicine workshops. As we wander through this sacred space, let's pause to admire the harmony of nature that defines the Dalongdong Baoan Temple. This temple is not just a place of worship, but a sanctuary where the past informs the present, inviting all who enter to reflect on the enduring values of health, healing, and harmony. Through its gates, we step into a realm where the spiritual realities converge, offering solace and inspirations to those who seek it. For me, this journey through the temples illustrates the seamless blend of faith and tradition. Between the tranquil elegance of Taipei Confucius Temple and the dynamic, spirited ambience of the Dalongdong Baoan Temple, we explored the rich fabric of Taiwan's cultural legacy. These sacred sites act as a vital bridge, linking timeless wisdom with contemporary life, celebrating the heritage of their ancestors by engaging on these hallowed grounds. Thank you for joining me on the journey through Taiwan's spiritual landscape, where the past and present come together into a profound narrative of faith, wisdom, and community. May the teachings of Confucius, the power of the gods, and the enduring legacy of these temples inspire you to explore deeper connections in your own life. 大小再见, see you on the next video.